Jeep Grand Cherokee 2023, how to reset the oil life maintenance. So we just only run position, and then we just use this button only to find the services. So left, so we go down main menu, go down information, we select that in left and right, then just long press this one. So it's gonna be reset the oil life. First, in one menu, we go to the second, and then you put left, right to show the oil life. So you just long press this, okay, and then it will be reset. So that's it, how to reset the oil life of Jeep Grand Cherokee 2023.